Hey there, little buddy. Today I'll draw something super sweet. Bluey, Dad, and Grandma having one wild day together. It's a story about laughter, love, and just a little chaos. So get comfy and smile wide, because this one's called Bluey, Dad, and Grandma's Big Day Out. And before we start, like this video, you'll want to remember this funny adventure. The morning sun peeked through the curtains as Bluey raced downstairs.
Dad.
"Grandma's coming," she shouted, tail wagging. Dad yawned, holding his coffee. Oh boy, Grandma and her ideas. Bluey giggled. It's gonna be awesome. Moments later, Grandma arrived, wearing her sparkly scarf and oversized sunglasses. "Who's ready for fun?" she cheered. "We are," Bluey and Bingo shouted, jumping up and down. Grandma winked. "Then let's roll, my little legends." Dad sighed but smiled. "All right, but no wild stunts today, okay?" Grandma grinned. "Oh, no promises, Bandit." If you love Grandma's energy like this video, she's just getting started. Their first stop was the park. Bluey wanted to race down the slide, Bingo wanted to swing, and Grandma wanted to climb the monkey bars. "Watch this," she said, hoisting herself up. Dad blinked. "Mom, are you sure?" "Of course I am," she called from halfway up, then slipped, landing softly on the sand. "I'm fine," she laughed. Bluey and Bingo burst into giggles. "Grandma, you're amazing." "And dusty," Dad muttered, brushing her off. Next, they had lunch at the duck pond. Bluey shared her crackers with the ducks. "Quack, quack," she mimicked. Dad spread a blanket while Grandma pulled out her famous mystery sandwiches. "Guess what's inside," she said. Dad took a bite. "Is that pickle and jam?"
Surprise.
Grandma laughed. Bluey made a face. "EW, but kinda yummy." Bingo nodded. "It's funny food." They all laughed until the ducks waddled away in protest. If you try Grandma's mystery sandwich, like this video, you're braver than the ducks. After lunch, Grandma suggested one more adventure. The big hill by the park. "Let's roll down together," she said. Dad shook his head. "No way, Al." Too late. Grandma and the pups were already rolling and giggling down the hill. "Come on, Dad," shouted Bluey. With a sigh and a smile, Dad joined them, tumbling and laughing all the way. "You're all crazy," he said between giggles. "Crazy fun," Grandma shouted, grass in her hair, the bottom of the hill. They all lay still, staring at the clouds. "That was the best day ever," said Bluey softly. "Even better than the slide." Grandma smiled. "Because we did it together, sweetheart." Dad nodded. "Yeah, I guess a little chaos isn't so bad after all." The sun began to dip as they walked home, paws muddy but hearts full. Grandma gave Dad a playful nudge.
See?
"You survived another Grandma day." He grinned. "Barely." Bluey giggled and held both their hands. "Can we do it again tomorrow?" Grandma winked. "If Dad's brave enough." So giggle bright and dream tonight of days that shine with love and light. And before you go, my cheerful crew, like this video, from us to you.